Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 6 multiplied by 6 divided by 6 divided by 6. Now we shall and by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve on this is, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one multiplication and two division. So according to the rule, multiplication or division we solve from left to right. Now in left side we have division. So the multiplication. So first we solve multiplication. So 6 times 6 they give us 36 divided by 6 divided by 6. Now if we have more than one division, so we start from left side. So 36 divided by 6 they give us 6 divided by 6, and 6 divided by 6 they give us 1. So the final answer is 1. Thanks for watching.